Salut les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Topic for today is the cardinal number in French. What are cardinal numbers? Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 100, 200, 1000, 10,000. These numbers show quantity. So the first number is 0. 0 is pronounced as 0 in French. It is written as 0. In Hindi, 0. 1 is a. 2 is the. 3 is throa. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is written as 6, pronounced as six. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. H is silent in it. Huit. 9 is neuf. And 10 is dix. So the first 10 numbers are 0, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. I repeat. Please repeat after me. 0, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Now we will go on to 11. 11 is said as, pronounced as onze. 12 as douze. 13 as treize. 14 as quatorze. 15 as quinze. 16 as seize. 17 as, now there is one logic in these three numbers. The first one is 17 is 10 plus 7. So we write it as 10 is written as these, 7 is written as set. The set. 18, 10 plus 8. So these, how is 8 written? With. These with. 19 is again 10 plus 9. This becomes these nuff. 20 is written as vingt. This is pronounced as vingt. 21 is vingt hyphen a a. Vingt, since liaison rule will be applied here, vingt te a. The pronunciation is vingt te a. Vingt te a. So I'll repeat the numbers from 10 to 21 once again. These onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, these sept, these huit, these neuf, vingt, vingt et un. So from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these. Onze, douze, treize, 14 is quatorze, 15, quinze, 16 is seize, 17 is these sept, 18 is these huit, and 19 is these neuf. 20 is vingt, 21 is 21. Where is 20? A is 1. And A is supposed to be and. 20 and 1 is 21. 22 will not include A. Where the 20 and this is 2. 22. Where the. I'm not writing the Hindi pronunciations since we have already done it. Where and the is written as this. These numbers are quite easy till 70, or I would say 69. Where trois 23. Where quatre 24. Where cinq 25. Where six. Where sept. Where huit. Where neuf. And 30 is trente. It is pronounced as trente. 31 is trente. A. A. Trente. A. A. 32 is trente. The. 33 is trente. Trois. 34 is trente. Quatre. 35 is trente. Cinq. 36 is 6 is 36 is trente. Six. 37 is trente. Sept. 38 is trente. Huit. 39 is trente. Neuf. So I'll start from 20. Vingt, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40 is quarante. Quarante. 41 again is quarante a. Quarante a. 42 is quarante deux. 43 is quarante trois. 45 is quarante. 44 is quarante quatre. 45 is quarante cinq. 46 is quarante six. 47 is quarante sept. 48 is quarante huit. And 49 is quarante neuf. 50 is cinquante. This is pronounced as cinquante. So these are the numbers till 50. I will make the second part for the numbers from 51 to 100, because of one thing that there are much more logics from 70 till 100. So I'll repeat the numbers once from 41 to 50, that is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So these are the cardinal numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So these are the numbers till 50. Kindly keep practicing these numbers. Write and practice. That is much better to memorize these numbers and words. We will uh, be doing numbers from 51 to 100 in the next lecture. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video. Please share it with your friends. Do subscribe to Master French with Vidyansshu and please press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine leçon, which means see you in the next lesson. Bonjour les amis.